Welcome to this session on stack data structure. We assume that you have understood the topics, namely Introduction to Data Structures. This will help you in better understanding of this session. In this session, we will discuss what is a stack, operations that can be performed on stack, the applications of stack. Stack is a linear data structure. Stack stores the set of homogeneous elements. Insertion and deletion of elements can take place at only one end of the stack, that is, the top of the stack. Stack follows the LIFO, that is, last in, first out style of operation. Let's have some real life scenarios where stack can be used. Look at the CD deck. Where do we insert or remove CD arranged on a deck? The new CD is always inserted at the top of the deck. Similarly, the CD to be removed is from the top of the deck. This clearly follows the last in, first out style of functioning. Also, pile of chairs and stack of books follow the principle of last in, first out. We shall now discuss what is the operation that we can perform on the stack. There are many operations that are applicable to the stack. To name a few, push, which inserts an element on the top of the stack. Pop, which removes an element from the top of the stack. Peep or peek, which is used just to view the top element of the stack without removing the element from the stack. IsEmpty is another operation which tells us whether the stack is empty or not. Let us see an example to understand these operations on the stack. Consider the stack as shown here with two elements, namely 10 and 20. We can also see that the current position of the top of the stack is second. Now we need to insert a new element, say 30. For that, we will use the push operation, which will insert the new element on the top of the stack. Please note, with this operation, the position of the top is also changed. Now, top is at position 3. Now, the stack is having 3 elements. What if we apply the peek operation at this time? Certainly, it gives us the value 30, but will not remove it from the stack and also will not change the position of the top of the stack. Now let us apply the pop operation. It will not only remove the top element 30, but also change the position of top from third to second. What if we use IsEmpty operations now? Undoubtedly, it will give us false as the stack is not empty. But if we apply 2 more pop operations on this stack and then use IsEmpty operation, it will give us true, indicating that the stack is empty. Here we have some common applications of stack. Undo operations in a word editor, or the last 5 transactions of a bank account. This brings us to an end of the discussion on stack data structure. In this session, we have discussed about what is a stack, what are the basic operations on the stack, what are the different applications of stack. For hands-on practice, please do the exercises that are provided in the lab guide under Introduction to Data Structures topic. This will help you understand the implementation aspects better.